In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin page. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now from here in your dashboard, what you want to do is go click here on the online stores. Now you will see a drop-down menu, so click on navigation, and now you'll see your menus just right here. So let's say we want to add a drop-down menu in the main menu. So click on main menu, and you will see this menu items. So this will be the default items if you just recently signed into Shopify. So let's say you want to create a drag down menu for your products. So let's click on add menu item. So let's just click on products, all products. Now click on add. Now again, let's add the other products, our pants, our sweater, and the t-shirts. Now to make a drag down menu, you want to hover your mouse right here beside pants, this dots icon. So just click and hold, and as you can see, you can change its location. But when you hover it just below all products and then move your mouse a bit to the right, as you can see, it will become right here below products. So let's do this to all of the other products. And now you just successfully created a drag down menu for all your products. After doing this, click on Save Menu, and a drag down menu feature or a section will be now uploaded to your online store, just like this. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.